Hey guys, this is Kitty Girl Ep.3 here. I'm playing some Minecraft on my world Sprout. So I really hope you enjoy. So this is probably going to take a little while to load, so be back when it's done loading. Okay guys, I'm back now. Now it's just loading. Okay, now we're back. I'm just going to let it load for a second. So I think I should probably get some more wood. I'm not sure. I don't know if 3 stacks will be enough, but I'm sure it will be. So today I think I'm going to start mining. So okay, this is being laggy. That's fine, because I can wait here a second. Here. Just gonna turn down my volume. That should be better. Yes, it is. There's my bird on my shoulder. Look at that, you guys. It's so cute. So, I sounded like Miranda sings for a second. So, basically, I'm just going to try to find a new biome. Just going to keep on walking this way. And yeah. Oh jeez, it's laggy again. So yeah, we just need to find a new biome, and I'll be back when I do that. Wait, one sec though. Jeez, it's laggy, I can't get right back. Okay, I did not find a new biome at all. So, you are going to have to come with me on my adventure to find a new biome. This might take a while. So, while we are waiting, I guess I see water. Do I see swamp? Am I in the water? Oh, my birdie's in the water. Yes, this could be good. Just gonna go to this island. Oh wait, this is not an island. It's just so laggy. So, I'll be back when it's not as laggy. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't think it's that laggy. Oh geez, maybe it is still very laggy. So, darn it, I can't get out. Pressing E? Why can't I get out here? Well, here, maybe if I press escape. Well, guess that's all I'll end it for this video. Next, you'll find me when I'm done recording. I'm gonna find a place to live, but you are obviously going to go mining with me and stuff, so